I get this question all the time. Devin, what makes a niche easier to turn into searchable, question-based YouTube videos? The short answer is this. A good searchable niche creates the same questions over and over from new people. Here's the test I use. First, does the niche have clear beginner pain? People search when they're confused, stuck, or trying to avoid a mistake. So niches with lots of how do I start, why isn't this working, or what should I buy are usually strong. Second, does it produce decision questions? Things like best tool, best method, which option, beginner versus advanced. If a niche naturally creates choices, it naturally creates search. Third, does it have troubleshooting depth? If you can make videos answering setup problems, mistakes, fixes, and comparisons, that niche has legs. And fourth, can you list 30 video ideas as exact questions without getting vague? If you can't, it's probably more of a personality niche than a search niche. So the decision rule is simple. Choose a niche where people repeatedly ask specific practical questions before they're ready to be entertained. If you want to turn those questions into an actual content system, that's where Satura helps. End of story.